Alright, we're just taking another quick video. We're doing some laptop high-tech tuning over here. Doing some downloading. Here's the motor again. I don't see any leaks yet, which is a good sign. I don't see any leaks down there. That's good. Bitchin' truck.
We need RPM. Battery voltage.
There's that.
Oh, that's your nitrous.
Truck does run on nitrous, so that's why the tunes or the horsepower readings over here won't be way high, because it's all set up for nitrous. So if it was just a normal aspirated motor, it would be a different cam and tune-up settings, so that the horsepower would definitely be way up from where it is. But we're doing it for a nitrous run, so we're keeping the timing down low, keeping it a little bit richer, so the numbers are going to be down a little bit. But it's tubbed. Got some big ass tires on it. Got a dyno 60 in it. So he's going to make another pull, and I'll get back to you again.